Typhoon Krathon, one of the most powerful storms to hit the Philippines this year, struck the northern islands on Monday morning, forcing authorities to implement emergency measures to protect residents. With winds reaching up to 175 kilometers per hour, 109 miles per hour, and gusts peaking at 215 kilometers per hour, 133 miles per hour. Krathon caused widespread power outages and disrupted communication in the provinces of Cagayan and Batanes, areas notoriously vulnerable to major storms. In Balante Island, near Cagayan province, where the storm first made landfall, preliminary reports indicated that streets were deserted and residents were forced to stay indoors as the winds were so strong that no one could stand upright outdoors. While there have been no immediate reports of casualties, authorities warn of the high risk of severe damage to coastal communities over the next 48 hours. Coastal villages in Batanes, Babuyan, and several areas of Cagayan province are facing life-threatening waves. Officials also cautioned that the storm could blow off roofs, uproot trees, and destroy crops, while predicting massive waves could crash into the shore. In preparation, residents of Batanes, a region accustomed to fierce storms, reinforced their homes with ropes, boarded up windows, and moved fishing boats to safer locations. Meanwhile, in Cagayan province, the situation became even more tense as power outages began. Local authorities quickly evacuated hundreds of residents from low-lying areas and coastal towns. Many schools in northern Philippines were also closed to ensure student safety. Despite thorough preparations, concerns about Typhoon Krathon's destructive potential continue to grow as it is predicted to strengthen into a super typhoon and head towards Taiwan. In Taiwan, authorities have also issued emergency warnings and begun evacuating over 1,600 people from dangerous areas. Typhoon Krathon, with the strength of a Category 4 hurricane, is expected to hit the western region of Taiwan, bringing heavy rain and strong winds that could cause significant damage. The port city of Cagayan and the southern mountain regions are particularly threatened by disaster risks. Cagayan Mayor Chen Shim advised residents to brace for winds exceeding 150 kilometers per hour, 93 miles per hour, and announced that emergency evacuation measures have been deployed. Meanwhile, Taiwan's Central Weather Bureau predicted that rainfall in some areas could reach up to 1.3 meters, warning that Typhoon Krathon could trigger flash floods and landslides in mountainous regions. In response, Taiwan's authorities have mobilized over 15,000 soldiers and more than 1,000 inflatable boats to be ready for rescue operations. Military hospitals have also set up emergency medical teams to prepare for any critical situations. Ferry services to offshore islands have been canceled, and some domestic flights have been disrupted due to the severe weather. The railway connecting southern Taiwan to the east coast has ceased operations, while the north-south high-speed train remains operational. Typhoon Krathon is expected to continue moving northeast, passing through the port city of Cagayan before leaving land and heading towards the East China Sea. Authorities in both the Philippines and Taiwan remain on high alert, bracing for more extreme conditions from the storm in the coming days.